Class 9. Today I'm going to start a factorization exercise 8.5. Okay. So first question of question number 1 is a plus b whole square minus 5a minus 5b plus 6. How you will do this sums? A plus b whole square. You can take minus 5 common from both. So when you will take minus 5 common, then a left, and here since you are taking minus common, this minus will become plus and b left plus 6. Now you can see here you have a plus b whole square and here you have a plus b. It means that you can let this part a plus b equals to x. See class 9. When you have same thing inside the bracket, then that one you can let go. If you have a plus b and here a minus b, you will not be able to let, okay. But in this question you have a plus b and here also you have a plus b, that is why we can let a plus b equals to any variables x, y, z. I am taking x. Now in place of a plus b I will write x, and since I have square I am writing square. Minus 5, in place of a plus b I will write x plus 6. Now you can see we can do middle term factor. You have done already in class 8 as well as we did in last exercise, also last exercise. So what you have to do in middle term factor, you have to take LCM of 6. LCM of 6 is 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, means 3 plus 3 2s are 6 and 3 plus 2 will give you 5. Means you have to see this side. If it is plus, it means that after adding there will be plus over 5. So 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 will give you 5 and 3 2s are 6. Okay. So after multiplication we are getting 6. Okay. And after adding we are getting 5. It is also okay. Means it is satisfying the condition. Now x square minus plus minus 3 into x, 3x, again minus plus minus 2 into x, 2x plus 6. Okay. Now from this 2 you can take x common, x minus 3, minus from this 2 you can take 2 as a common. When you are taking minus 2 common, x left, and when you are taking minus common, this plus will become minus, and after taking 2 common it will become x minus 3. Now you can see this one and this one are common, so we can write x minus 3, and what is left? X minus 2. So x minus 2. Now you have you let a plus b as x. You have to remove this x. How you will remove? Only in place of x. Now you will again write a plus b. So a plus b minus 3, and here also a plus b minus 2. This one is your answer. If it is possible to do middle term factor again, you have to do that. In the next question I will do. Understood? So what I have done here, a plus b still I am writing as it is. Minus 5 I am taking common. When I am taking minus common, this minus will become plus. Now we can see inside the bracket we have same thing, a plus b, a plus b. Let a plus b equals to x. Now in place of a plus b I am writing x, a plus b square, that is why x square, minus 5, a plus b x plus 6. Now after that I am doing middle term factor. So 3 plus 2 will give us 5 and 3 2s are 6. When you will open the bracket, x square minus plus minus 3x minus plus minus 2x plus 6. From first 2 you will take x common, from last 2 you will be able to take 2 common. When you are taking minus common, this plus is becoming minus. Now x minus 3, x minus 3 you are writing one time, and what is left? X minus 2. So x minus 2. Now in place of x you have to write a plus b, because we are letting this one a plus b equals to x. In the question there is no x present. It means that you have to remove that x. That is why in place of x I am writing a plus b minus 3. Again in place of x I am writing a plus b minus 2. Okay. Copy this one. Class 9C question number 1 2 it is given x plus 1 x plus 2 3x minus 1 3x minus 4 plus 12. Now when this type of sums will come in which you have 4 terms in multiplication, x plus 1 x plus 2 3x minus 1 3x minus 4 terms in multiplication, and 1 is added. Okay, here it is plus 12. Then at that time how you will solve this question? you have to make pair of two terms. Now how you make pair of two terms? Now what you have to do, you have to multiply first one with first. X into x, x square, and first with first. 3x into 3x, how much will you get? 3 3s are 9, x into x, x square. When you are multiplying this two, you are getting x square, but when you are multiplying this two, you are getting 9x square. These both are not equal, so you will not be able to pair this with this with this. Okay. Now what we will do, we will change. Okay. Means when you are multiplying first term of first one of two terms, it must be equal. Now first and third. If I will multiply first with third, it will come first and third. So x into 3x, 3x square, and second and fourth, x into 3x, 3x square. We are getting 3x square. When we are multiplying this with this, we are getting 3x square. Same, when we are multiplying this with this, we are getting 3x square. We are getting same thing after multiplication. Then you can make pair of that two terms. Means I can make pair of this with this with this. That is why I have written first pair, first term x plus 1, and then third term 3x minus 1. Understood? You have to make pair. How you will make? You will multiply first term with first term, first term with first term. When you are multiplying, if you are getting same, then you can say that you can pair of that. So first term with third one and second term with fourth one. So x plus 1 into 3x minus 1, x plus 2 into 3x minus 4. Okay, means we are making this term first and third, and then we are making first, second and fourth. Okay. Now we will multiply x into 3x, 3x square, x into minus 1, minus x, plus 1 into 3x, plus 3x, plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. You know how to multiply. X into 3x, 3x square, x into minus 4x, x into minus 4, minus 4x, plus 2 into plus 3x, plus 6x, plus 2 into minus 4, minus 8, and this plus 12 will remain as it is. Understood? Now 3x square, we can add and subtract this one, minus plus minus, so minus plus 2x will come. Why? Because 3 is greater and with 3 we have plus sign. So 3x square plus 2x and minus 1. Here also 3x square, I will write as it is, minus 4x plus 6x, minus plus minus, but you have to write plus sign. Why? Because 6 is greater than 4. So plus 2x minus 8 plus 12. Okay. Now you can see this term and this term both are coming same. It must come same. If it is coming, then what you will do, let 3x square plus 2x equals to a. I am taking a because x is already here. I am taking a. You can take yz also. Now in this place, what I will put a minus 1. Again in this place I will put a minus 8 plus 12. Understood what I have done? Now after this, again you will multiply a into a square, then a into minus 8, minus 8a, minus 1 into 8, minus a, minus minus plus 1 into 8, 8 plus 12. Okay. Understood this one? After this, what we will do, a square I will write as it is, minus minus plus, so a square I am writing as it is, minus 8a minus a will give you minus 9a, plus 8a plus 12 will give you plus 20. Okay, understood? Just I am doing addition and subtraction here. Okay. Now you will take the middle term of a square minus 9a plus 20. So I will give bracket. Now you have to take the LCM of 20. 20 LCM will be 2 tens are 20, 2 fives are 5, 1 5. Means after multiplication you will get 20, and after addition, this side you will see this side. Now after addition it must be 9. Okay, so 5. I will make pair of this 5. 2 2s are 4. So 5 into 4, 20, and 5 plus 4 will give you 9. Understood how I have done? I have to get 9 after addition. So when I am doing 5 plus 4, I am getting 9, and 5 into 4 I am getting 20. So in this place, in place of 9, we can write 5 plus 4. A square minus plus minus 5 into a 5a minus plus minus 4 into a 4a plus 20. Now take common from this 2, a minus 5. Take common from this 2, 4 will become a minus 5. Okay. After this, please come in. So now you can see a minus 5 are common. So we will write a minus 5 and what we left a minus 4. Now in place of a, you have to put 3x square plus 2x. Why? Because you are letting 3x square plus 2x equals to a. So in place of a, you have to put this one. So put this one 3x square plus 2x minus 5. Then again 3x square plus 2x minus 5 and again 3x square plus 2x minus 4. Now you have to see, you will be able to do middle term factor again. 5 3s are 15. So if we will take LCM of 15, I will get 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3. 5 minus 3, I will get 2. Why? Because I have to see this sign and here we have minus sign. So when we have minus sign, we have to subtract. So 5 minus 3, I am getting 2 and we need 2 in the middle. So I can do this one. 3x square plus 5 minus 3 x minus 5 and this one not possible. 4 3s are 12. If you will take LCM of 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. After subtraction, you need 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3, it will not come. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 will give you 4. But we need 2. So it will not come. So we have to write this one as it is because middle term of 3x square plus 2x minus 4 is not possible. Only this one first term middle term is possible. So after that we will write 3x square plus 5x plus minus 3 into x. 3x minus 5, 3x square plus 2x minus 4. Now from first 2 you will take x as a common. What is left? 3x plus 5. From the last 2 you will not be able to take anything common. It means minus 1 common. If you are taking minus 1 common, 3x, this minus will become plus. And this one you will write as it is 3x square plus 2x minus 4. Now you can see this and this one. 3x plus 5 common and x minus 1 left and this one fully left 3x square plus 2x minus 4. Okay, so this one is your answer 3x plus 5 x minus 1 3x square plus 2x minus 4. Now again I am repeating, if you have 4 terms like this, you have to make pair. When I am making pair of first and second, I am getting 3x square after multiplication of first term. Same when I am multiplying second term and third term, first term of second and third, I am getting 3x square. When you will get the same thing, then you can make pair of that too. So after making, I am multiplying, I am getting 3x square plus 2x minus 1, again 3x square plus 2x minus 8. So this portion must come same. If it is coming same, I can write 3x square plus 2x equals to 8. Now in place of this I am writing a minus 1. In place of this I am writing a minus 8 plus 12. Again I am multiplying, getting a square minus 8a minus 8 plus 8a plus 12. After addition and subtraction I am getting a square minus 9a plus 20. Now you can see we can take middle term. After taking middle term I am getting a minus 5, a minus 2. Now in place of a I have to put 3x square plus 2x, 3x square plus 2x, 3x square plus 2x. We can do middle term factor of these 5 3s are 15. So 5 minus 3 will get 2 and we need 2 after subtraction. But this one is not possible. So I am writing the second term as it is and I am doing for middle term of first term. After doing middle term I am getting 3x plus 5, x minus 1, 3x square plus 2x minus 4. Okay, copy this one. Class 9C question number 1, 3. Now we have three terms, x square minus 1, x plus 2 minus a. We can break this x square minus 1 in the formula. X is a square minus b square formula is a plus b, a minus b. So if I will write x square minus 1, if I will write x whole square minus 1 whole square, we are getting a square minus b square. Formula is a plus b, a minus b. It means x plus 1, x minus 1. That is why in place of x square minus y square I am writing x plus 1, x minus 1. Now we got how many terms? 4 terms, x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2. I told you in the last question also that you have to make pair. How you will make? Multiplying first term with first term. So x into x, okay, you are getting x square. Same, x into x, you are getting x square. When you will get same after multiplication, then you can make pair. Means x can be paired with x plus 1 and x minus 1 can be paired with x plus 2. So that is why I am multiplying this 2, x into x, x square, x into 1 plus x into x square, x into plus 2 plus 2x minus 1 into x minus plus minus 1 into 2 minus 8. Now x square plus 2x minus x will give you plus x minus 2. This same you can write let x square plus x equals to a. I am taking x a. You can take y z anything except x. You will not be able to take x because x is already in the question. Okay. Now in place of x square plus x you can write a because we are letting, and in place of x square plus x you can again write a and then minus 2 minus 8. Now a into a square, a into minus 2a, 2a into minus 2 minus 2a minus a. Now when you will take the middle term of 8, when you will take the LCM of 8, you will get 4 minus 2 you are getting. 4 minus 2 you will get 2, 4 into 2 you will get 8. You know how to do middle term. Now you will open the bracket, it will become a square minus 4a plus 2a minus a. From first 2 you will take common, from last 2 you will take common a minus 4 plus 2 you can take common from last one, a minus 4. Now this one same, so I am writing a minus 4 and this one a plus 2. Okay, now in place of a you have to put actual value which you let here, x square plus x. So x square plus x minus 4, x square plus x plus 1. Now if you want to do middle term factor, it is not possible to do middle term factor of these two. That is why this is your answer. Okay, copy this one. Class 9C question number 15. It is given x square minus 1 whole square plus 8x x square plus 1 plus 19x square. So first of all, what I am doing, you can see inside the bracket you have x square and 1 square will give you 1 only. So I can write x whole square minus 1 whole square bracket square. Now formula of x square minus 1 square is x plus 1, x minus 1. Formula of a square minus b square. Formula is a plus b, a minus b. Okay, and this part I am writing as it is. Now after this square, since we have square outside the bracket also, this square will come with this also, with this also. So it will become x plus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square. Now you know what is the formula of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square minus plus 2ab. Now a plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so that in that formula, this one formula I am breaking this one, a square plus b square. B square means 1 square will give you 1 plus 2a. A is x and b is 1. So 2x into 1 will give you 2x. Same thing, x minus 1 whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 8x x square plus 1 plus 19x. Now you can see we are getting same thing, x square plus 1, x square plus 1, we have also x square plus 1. So you can write let x square plus 1 equals to a. Now in this place x square plus 1 writing a, then plus 2x x square plus 1. In place of x square plus 1 writing a, then minus 2x, then 8x x square plus 1 place a. Now 19x. So a into a square, a a into minus 2x minus 2ax plus 2x into a plus 2ax plus minus sign 2x into 2x 4x square. So minus 2x plus 2x will cancel out. You are getting a square minus 4x square plus 8ax plus 19x square. Now minus 4x square plus 19x square will give you plus 15x square. Now a square plus 8ax plus 15x square. You have to take middle term of this, means you have to take LCM of 15. You know that 5 plus 3 will give you 8 and 5 into 3 will give you 15. So I have written 5 plus 3. Now when you will open the bracket, you will get a square plus 5ax plus 3ax plus 15x square. From first two you can take a as a common, so a plus 5x left. From last two you can take 3x as a common, a plus 5x left. Now you can see this one and this one common term, so you are writing a plus 5x and a plus 3x. Okay. Now in place of a, what you will write? X square plus 1, because you are letting that one. So x square plus 1 plus 5x, x square plus 1 plus 3x. It will be 3x. This one is your answer, because you will not be able to do middle term after this. Okay. Now class 9, see question number 16. It is written a minus 1 x square minus x minus a minus 2. At that time what you will do? See, you can see this. With x you have no terms. So at that time what you will do? You will try to write something using this, the last term and the first term, so that you will get minus 1 here. So what I have done here, in place before x I am writing a minus 1 minus a minus 2. Means I am subtracting this with this. So in graph I am showing you, if I will subtract a minus 1 with a minus 2, just open the bracket, a minus 1 minus plus minus a minus minus plus 2. So plus a minus a will cancel, minus 1 plus 2 will give you plus 1. Means if you will write plus 1, nothing will hamper you, means nothing will change. Okay. So that is why whenever you will see that in the middle with x you have nothing, try to subtract this with this or this with this, or try to add this with this. Okay. Understood this one? Please practice all this properly. Okay. So I am doing subtraction of a minus 1 with a minus 2. Again if I will solve, I will get 1. Okay. Now I am writing a minus 1 x square as it is, minus plus minus a minus 1 into x. You know you have to multiply this with outer one. Then minus minus plus a minus 2 into x, a minus 2x, then minus a minus 2. Now from this 2, what is common? 1 x is common, I am taking x common. Again 1 a minus 1 common, I am writing a minus 1 common. What is left? Here you have 2x, you have taken already 1x common, so 1x left. Here you have taken all the things common, a minus 1 also as well as x also. So minus 1 left, why minus 2? Because we have minus sign. Now in this one and the last one, a minus 2 common. So I am writing a minus 2 common. So what is left? X minus, nothing common, nothing left means 1. Now in this one and this one, what is common? X minus 1. So I am writing x minus 1. What is left? X a minus 1, and here a minus 2. Now I am opening the bracket, a into x, x into 1 minus x1, because we have minus n, plus a minus 2. So this is your answer. Okay, complete this one. Class 9C, question number 192, a square plus 1 by a square minus a minus 1 by a minus 7. So first please write this formula, a square plus 1 by a square formula is a minus 1 by a whole square plus 2a 1 by a. One more formula is there, a plus 1 by a square minus 2a dot a. So according to use we write these two formula. We need minus 1, why? Because here also we have minus sign, that is why I am using first formula. So please don't concentrate here, just write this formula. Okay. So a square plus 1 by a square, in place of a square plus 1 by a square I can write a minus 1 by a whole square plus 2a 1 by a. Now a will cancel. Okay. So and this 2 will multiply, 2 into this, 2a minus 1 by a whole square, 2 into 2 plus 4 minus a minus 1 by a minus 7. Okay, now you can see this one and this one same. You can write that a minus 1 by a equals to x. It means you will write 2. In place of this you will write x, and since you have square you will write square. Then you have plus 4 minus 7. Plus minus minus, so minus 3 you will get, I am writing here. And in place of this I am writing minus n because we have minus n. In place of a minus 1 by I am writing x because we are letting. After that I am doing middle term factor. So first we have to multiply this with this because we have number here. So 3 2s are 6. If you will take LCM of 6, you will get 3 2s are 6. So 3 minus 3 into 2, 6, and 3 minus 2 equals to 1. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. Why minus? Because we have subtraction sign here. Before 3 we have minus sign. So we have to see that sign. That is why I am writing 3 minus 2 inside the bracket. So when we will open the bracket, we will get 2x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 3. From first two you can take x as a common. So what is left? 2x minus 3. From last two there is nothing common. It means plus 1. So you write plus 1, 2x minus 3. Now you can see from this and this 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 you will write as it is. Means common one, and x plus 1 left. So x plus 1. Now in place of 2. In place of x, you will write a minus 1 by a, and 2 you will write outside the bracket minus 3. Again in place of x, you will write a minus 1 by a minus 1. This is your answer, but in your book they have given it in very complicated way. So please don't see that answer, write this one as the answer. Okay? Complete this one. Class 9, your homework is exercise 8.5, question number 1, 4, 7, 8 and 10. If you have any queries related to this question, you can ask me in the given email ID by tomorrow only, and submit your homework by tomorrow. Thank you.